2026 will not reward the smartest man. It will reward the most conscious. Because while everyone else is being programmed by AI, by algorithms, by trends, you'll be the one programming yourself. Hey G's, welcome back to Tyson's Alchemy. Today I'm going to show you the most powerful mindset for 2026. How to make success inevitable in a world that's changing faster than ever. AI is getting smarter, attention spans are shrinking, and algorithms are learning you better than you know yourself. But here's the truth. If you don't program your own mind, they'll happily do it for you. 1. The age of artificial intelligence and the rise of the inner intelligence. We're entering an era where machines think, predict, and even create. But the one thing they can never replicate is human willpower and spiritual awareness. AI can mimic art, but it can't feel purpose. It can simulate motivation, but it can't be alive. That's your edge. 2026 belongs to the men who combine technology with consciousness. Those who use AI as a tool, not a master. Build, create, learn faster, but stay human, stay aware, stay self-programmed. 2. The algorithm versus the alchemist. Right now, most people are slaves to algorithms. They scroll, they react, they consume. Their minds are owned real estate, rented out to chaos and dopamine. But the masculine alchemist, the awakened man, he flips the script. He uses those same algorithms for his mission. You post your art, you share your message, you build your brand, you make the algorithm your servant, not your master. If you can learn to channel modern tools with ancient discipline, you'll be unstoppable. 3. Self-hypnosis. In the digital era, your subconscious is the most powerful processor on earth. Every time you repeat, visualize, or focus on something, you're coding your inner software. So every morning, ask yourself, who am I hypnotizing today? Myself or the algorithm? Lock in your vision through self-hypnosis. Repeat your affirmations with emotion. Visualize your success with precision. See yourself winning and act like it's already real. Because once your subconscious believes it's already yours, reality has no choice but to catch up. 4. Masculine truths for 2026. Let's be clear, 2026 will be unforgiving to weak men. If you waste energy on negativity, if you drown in comparison, if you fall for distractions, you will be left behind. But if you master your energy, your focus, and your vision, you can build an empire from a laptop. Masculinity is not dead, it's evolving. It's the ability to stay grounded, calm, and powerful in a world of chaos. That's your unfair advantage. 5. Use music as energy fuel. Start your day with intention. Don't scroll, play high frequency, uplifting music like Now or Never by Tkandz. Let the rhythm remind you it's your time. You're not escaping reality, you're charging your frequency. Your playlist can become your daily hypnosis session. Every lyric, every sound, another brick in the world you're building. 6. Make success inevitable. The men who win in 2026 won't be guessing. They'll have designed their life deliberately. They'll move with clarity, focus, and inner fire. So here's the rule. If you can't stop thinking about your vision, don't stop working on it. Success isn't luck. It's alignment plus consistency plus energy. That's the alchemical formula of the 1%. If you're ready to take this deeper, to rewire your subconscious and take control of your mind before the system does, then join me inside The Inner Architect, my official course on school.com. It's where I teach you the art of self-hypnosis, mental reprogramming, and spiritual strategy for the modern age. If you're done reacting and ready to start designing, the link's below. Join the brotherhood of conscious creators. And remember, self-hypnosis is the key.